Okay, accountability day 21. This accountability day is definitely not gonna be as long as yesterday because I'm not in like a hurry, but I don't have an infinite amount of time. So, oh, whoopsie. Yesterday, 2 hours and 2 hours and 54 minutes. I know it's inverted, doesn't matter. 1.5 hours on YouTube. So that's my procrastination. Oh, actually, no, it's not. I also spent about an hour watching some. I had like a series on Netflix that I haven't watched in. Wait, let me think here. Sometime in one of the other accountability videos, you'll know which day it was. But I just finished that. It was like 1.5 episodes. Because the internet is like super slow and my files just had to upload. I know I could be doing something that was productive, but I was like, I might as well. Like I filmed like 45 minutes of video yesterday, I think it was something like that. And this accountability date, like day 21, it's not gonna be as long as yesterday. It was 22 minutes long yesterday. I was just completely yapping, but 1 hour through 34 minutes on YouTube, 31 minutes on YouTube Studio. Yeah. 9 minutes on Snapchat, 8 minutes on YouTube Music, 7 minutes on Notion, which is basically just an app where you can take notes. Then 5 minutes on YouTube.com, and then I have a few minutes on other stuff, like 6 minutes on Discord, 4 minutes on photos, 1 minute on an alarm clock, less than a minute on calculator, less than a minute on camera, less than a minute on this app called Block, less than a minute on messages, less than a minute on phone. Now we got everything. Hope you're dialed in. So, actually, bro, look at this. This is okay. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna put the phone like this. I don't know if you can see, bro. Look at how fucking many videos I've filmed. Look at this. And it's just scrolling. It's just scrolling. That is crazy. Just on the second channel. Boom. That's it. It's like a fuck ton of videos, at least. It's a fuck ton of videos. Anyway, my breakfast is over there, like marinating, whatever it's called. Marinate. Okay, fuck. I'm gonna have to search for that. Yeah, bro, go do the thing you've been procrastinating from doing today and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.